In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out background noise on a Microsoft Teams call. This is an invaluable tool for anyone who finds themselves frequently using Teams for meetings, especially if you're working from home or sharing a space where ambient noise is an issue. Let's jump right in so you can start enjoying clearer audio during your calls. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Microsoft Teams homepage and logging into your account. If you're unfamiliar with the website, it's pretty straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be on your way. If you've enabled any two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that process too. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by the familiar Teams interface. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon accompanied by a set of 3 dots. This is known as the Settings and More option. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several choices. Next, you'll want to click on the Settings option from this menu. This will open up a variety of settings you can adjust to personalize your Teams experience. Don't worry if you see a lot here. We're focusing on a specific feature, so we'll guide you exactly where you need to go. From the Settings menu, look towards the left-hand side, and you'll find a tab labeled Devices. Click on it, and you'll see several options related to audio and video configurations. You're well on your way now. Once you're in the Devices section, navigate through the list until you see a tab titled Audio Settings. Under this, there's a feature called Noise Suppression. This is the key option we're focusing on today. Noise suppression is a fantastic tool in Microsoft Teams as that automatically decreases background noise during calls. But keep in mind, this feature is only available if you're using the desktop application. It doesn't work in the browser version of Teams. So, before going further, make sure that you have the desktop app installed on your computer. When you locate the noise suppression option, set it to activate by toggling it on. This change will help minimize all those unwelcome background noises that can disrupt a meeting. Whether it's the sound of a fan, traffic, or even a lively pet, noise suppression can make your calls much clearer. That's it. Now your Teams calls should be much more professional sounding, with all those distracting background noises significantly reduced. Remember, a clear call can make all the difference in communication and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps enhance your Microsoft Teams experience. Happy calling!